Hello, kids. Good morning, my little stars. Today we will learn a very exciting proverb. Strike while the iron is hot. Iron? Hot? Don't worry, come let me tell you a fun story.
Welcome to the class by Professor Leo.
Meet our friend Momo. Momo loves singing songs.
Children, anyone who wants to sing, raise your hand now.
Momo feels shy, but he really wants to sing. Momo thinks, "This is my chance." And he raises his hand immediately. Wow, Momo won the first prize. Momo feels proud and confident. If Momo did not raise his hands on time, his chance was gone. Someone else will take the opportunity and Momo cries with disappointment. Kids, Momo acted at the right moment. He did not wait. This is what the proverb means. When a good chance comes, use it right away, because it may not come again. Strike while the iron is hot. All right, kids. Did you understand today's proverb? When you get a good chance, will you try immediately? Say yes with me.
Yeah!
Excellent. Be brave, be confident, and act on time.
If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to Leo and Momo.